Good morning, student. Welcome my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. And today subtopic is a structural organization of cell. Okay, students. You can see in one picture on my green board. Okay, and this picture is a plant cell. Okay, this picture is a plant cell. Okay, so plant cell and animal cell, some difference between, but mostly similarities in plant cell and animal cell. Okay, student, you have just studied that cells has shaped components. Okay, uh, the cells has special components called cell organelles. Okay, and third, cells of different organisms differ in structure. Cells within the body of a multicellular organism differ in shape, size, and functions. Okay, in spite of this differences, every cell shows the same basic structure: cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, nucleus, cytoplasm. Okay, the generalized structure of a plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so today I will teach about plant cell. Okay, so this plant cell basic structure of a cell wall. Okay, this is a outermost layer of plant cell. Cell wall is a outermost layer of plant cell. Okay, and second is a plasma membrane. Okay, second is a plasma membrane. This is a inner wall of this is a inner wall of. So every cell bound by a thin and delicate membrane called cell membrane or plasma membrane. So this is a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane is the outermost covering. Okay, plasma membrane is the outermost covering of cell which separate all contents of cell from its external environment. Okay, contents of cell separate from external environment. Okay, so it is a made up of organic molecules called lipid molecules. Okay, and protein molecules. Okay, plasma membrane uh, made in protein and lipid molecules. Okay, made from protein and lipid molecules, plasma membrane. Okay, so basic structure of any cell. Okay, basic structure of any cell. Okay, cell membrane. Okay, or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. First is a cell membrane and plasma membrane, and second is a nucleus. Okay, second is a nucleus. This is nucleus in cell. Okay, in plant cell. And third is a cytoplasm. Okay, third is a cytoplasm. So basic structure of any cell, students: cell membrane, okay, or plasma membrane. Okay, cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, cell membrane and plasma membrane. Okay, and second is a nucleus. Okay, and third is a cytoplasm. Okay, and you can see on the plant cell. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and this is plastids, and this is a mitochondria. Okay, and this is a nucleus. Okay, and nucleus inner part, center part is called nucleolus. Okay, nucleus center part is called nucleolus, and this is a vacuoles. This is a vacuoles. Okay, and this is a ribosome. Okay, and this is a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and all dotted parts is a cytoplasm. So cell contains in around present a cytoplasm. Okay, student. So other parts of the cell called cell organelles. Okay, and this cell organelles divide in two parts, membranous and non-membranous. Okay, so membranous part is a cell organelles membranous part is a first endoplasmic reticulum, second Golgi apertures, and third is a mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. Okay, and fourth is a plastids. And fifth is a lysosomes, and sixth is a vacuoles. Okay, vacuoles. Six is a vacuoles. And non-membranous part is a ribosome and centrosome. Okay, and centrosome. Okay, centrosome. So other parts are called cell organelles. Okay, so students, I hope understood all of you this plant cell structure. Okay, any doubt regarding these topics, you can ask me. Okay, have a nice day. Good day.